So this is my second month on Boxycharm. The box that I received in November, I really liked. I'm gonna compare it to the box that I got today to see if this is something that I want to continue to do or if I want to upgrade to the premium. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is what it's looking like inside. It has this card here to tell me what it is that I got. So the first thing that I see is this Tarte Man Eater mascara. I'm gonna open it. It's in the color black. I like the packaging. And this is the wand. I've never had a mascara with this type of wand. I usually go for the ones that have the curve. I'm gonna go ahead and try it because I don't have any makeup on. So that's what it looks like on this eye. I have it on. I don't have anything on this eye. I think I like it. This mascara was, it says $23. I also got this right here. This is the original makeup eraser, the sponge. It says it's the first ever machine washable sponge. I guess you can machine wash this. I'm gonna open it. Oh. So it comes with the instructions on how to wash it. And this is, I guess you just, the sponge is in here. Next thing that I got is this MAC lipstick. And it's in the color Marrakesh 646. I've never had a MAC lipstick before. I'm not a lipstick wearer. This color is really cute. I don't think it's gonna look right on my skin tone. I don't know. I'm a little yellow. But this packaging, like the quality of MAC is really nice. Okay. I should try it on. I'm gonna try it on.
Bruh.
I definitely put this on wrong. Oh my god. I don't know, guys. I think I definitely should have used a lip liner. I don't know how to apply lipstick. Clearly I don't. Okay, moving on. Thing that I got here is these Glamnetic lashes. And I was really excited when I opened this box and I saw these because when they first launched, I wanted to try these lashes. These ones are in the style Bella. This is what they look like. And they also gave me the liquid magnetic eyeliner. I'm gonna try one on and attempt to put this eyeliner on. I cannot apply eyeliner for nothing. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. What am I doing? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. These lashes and the liner retails at $63. Okay. The next thing that I got is this Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. And it retails at $55. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna try to swatch this this blush. So these are the blushes on my skin tone. So that's it for my December box. I am pretty happy with the things that I got. So far I'm gonna continue with a subscription and see what I get in January, and then after that I'm gonna upgrade to the premium in February to see if I like the premium subscription more. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.